Hey guys, welcome to today's Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 263, ugly number. So we're told that an ugly number is a positive integer which does not have a prime factor other than 2, 3, and 5, and we're given an integer n and we need to return true if n is an ugly number. And we are given some examples over here where n is equal to 6 and the output will be true because 6 is 2 times, the factors are 2 times 3, which makes n an ugly number. 1 has no prime factor, so obviously 1 would just be true. And n is equal to 14. 14 is not an ugly number since it includes the prime factor 7. 7 times 2, which equals 14. And 7 is not one of the factors over here. So this we want to meet the first condition, and we're told that an ugly number is a positive integer. So this is a clue that we need to write a base case. So all we're going to say is if n is less than or equal to 0, well then we're just going to return false. And that would be that. However, if the number is a positive integer, then we want to look at all our prime factors. So for prime factor in 2, 3, and 5, we want to say while n modulo p equals 0. And what this will do is check that our integer n is clearly divisible by p. While it is a factor, we're going to say n equals n divided by p. So this is integer division in Python. Until we can no longer divide cleanly, and then we'll go on to the next number, and then the next number. And then once our for loop ends, we should have n left. And n, if n is equal to 1, then we know that 2, 3, and 5 are the only factors. And if n is any number other than 1, then we know that there's another factor involved. So all we have to do here is write is n equal to 1, and we can run our solution. And that passes all 3 test cases. So now let's submit our solution as well. And we pass all test cases as well for the submission. So a pretty basic maths problem. And yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.